Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoobb here. I'm going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin for lower fees than Coinbase using your debit or credit card. So if you go down to the description of this video and click on my referral link of CashApp, you'll be able to create an account with that, and you'll be on the home menu. It'll show like your cash balance. It'll say add cash, cash out, and you'll input like your routing a number, account number, and everything to connect your bank account to deposit funds into your CashApp account. And then at the bottom, you'll see these like 5 things right here. And you'll click on the 4th one right here, and it'll lead you to this page of Bitcoin. And well, it'll actually say stocks probably first. But at the top, you click on Bitcoin to move it away from the stocks. And then you can click buy right here. So we'll X out of this one. Oh, let me shrink that. All right. Then it'll say something like this. Like I had decided to do $10. It'll say confirm your Bitcoin purchase of $10. It'll tell you where the money's coming from, the amount of Bitcoin, and the exchange rate you're buying it at, and like what it is, Bitcoin, and the price. I'm buying $9.78 worth of Bitcoin after the fees of only being 22 cents. You try doing like a $10 purchase with your debit card, it's gonna be like a 99-cent fee to like $1.99 or something like that on Coinbase. So it's like almost like $1 cheaper or somewhere around there. So it's going to be a lot better for purchases with your debit or credit card. Now, you'll also be able to send and receive that Bitcoin. You can deposit Bitcoin into the Cash App, but I don't really recommend that. If you have it stored somewhere else, it's probably better. You can also send Bitcoin. So this is what I do. I buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to my Ledger Nano X to have it cold storage to be held offline, so it's not vulnerable to any online hacks or anything. I haven't really looked up the security and privacy or rules or anything like that with Cash App, so I do recommend it as a way to. I've never had an issue with having my bank account connected to them or anything like that, but I don't ever hold Bitcoin with them or like a large amount of balance. But I will buy Bitcoin from them just to transfer it over to a safer area to hold my cryptocurrency. So that's basically it. Cheaper fees than Coinbase, and when you use debit or credit card, and it's really simple to use, very easy. It's you basically like get your Bitcoin right away, can send it anywhere like right away, and you're really from there you're good to go. You have an account set up, you can buy Bitcoin whenever you want, and yeah. So see you guys later in the next video.